In this video, we are going to see how we can zip a file or a couple of files in Windows 11. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. So if you want to just save space or maybe upload the files or collection of files somewhere online, you need to zip a file for multiple reasons. And if you're wondering how to do it directly in Windows 11 without using external software, what you can do is just open up the folder that contains all the files, and after that just choose all the files, right click on that, and either you can choose the compress to option and then select whatever extension you want to zip it to, for example zip file, 7z file, tar file, or any additional options. So we have a couple of them, but let me just choose a simple zip. So compress to zip file, and a zip folder will be created right away that looks like this. Just make sure that if you are already in the zip folder, it will not show you the option of compress to. That's because you are in the zip folder. Similarly, if you have a folder already created, you can zip it from here as well. So directly on the top of the folder, right click and click on compress to and click on zip file, and it will create a zip file for that. And let's say if you want to extract it, we'll see that one as well. From the zip folder, just right click on that and click on extract all, and it will show you the similar path. That means when you extract it, it will create a copy of the unzip folder directly here. So we don't need to change much here. We simply click on extract and it will create a copy of that folder which is unzipped on the same path. So that is how you can zip a file or unzip a file in Windows 11 directly. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.